How do you create a lean canvas? So, but first of all, what's a lean canvas? So, a lean canvas is a planning tool that helps startup business owners, entrepreneurs streamline their business planning process. So, in a simple way, a lean canvas is more like an abbreviation of a business plan. So, instead of you writing 20 page, 30 pages of a business plan, sometimes a lean canvas can be used for idea validation. And for every app we build, we use a link canvas to help us brainstorm and do so many other things as fast as we can. So I'm going to be walking through an explainer telling you, okay, what's the process and how to go about it, and giving you an example as well. So the first thing is lean canvas is categorized into 9 sections. So I'm going to be going through each and every one of them one after the other. Number one is the problem. So what does the problem means? The problem is more like, okay, what problem are you having in your business? So let's take, for example, now we are building a Tinder app, right? So now what problem are you having with the Tinder app? So you have to list the problems here. Then if you come to solution, you're already having an idea what solution is. So solution is more like proposing the possible solutions to the problems that you've identified from probably Tinder, right? Then you go to three, which is unique value proposition. So in a unique value proposition is more like a clear statement that explains how your solution stand out from your competition. So it should convey the main reason why customers should choose your offering. So why customers should choose Tinder over another product. So then four is unique advantage. So a unique advantage is identifying something that cannot be easily copied or bought by competitors. Don't worry, when you see the examples, you would understand more about this. So five is customer segment. That's define the specific group of people or businesses you aim to serve. Then we have in number six, lists the key metrics. So key metrics is like, okay, the numbers and indicators that would you would use to measure your success, and they can include user growth, sales figures, customer retention, and whatever you want to track as your key metrics. And as you can see, these are very, very simple things. You don't need to crack your head in terms of doing a full page or 20-page business plan. So with this, you can list them or you can arrange them as much as you want. So in number seven, we have channels. So determine how you would reach your customer. Channels could be online platform, retail location, sales team, and other distribution method. Then we have the second to the last, which is cost structure. So outline the primary cost associated with running your business. This includes fixed and variable expenses, direct and indirect costs, and everything in between. Just say, what will it cost you to build your app, right? Or what will it cost you to build your business or the platform that you want to build? Then revenue stream from the word, how are you going to make money with this platform? Specify how your business would make money. This includes sales, subscription, advertisement, affiliate programs, etc. So now let's see how Tinder broke this down, right? And this was what Tinder used in the beginning. And you can either brainstorm this with your team, or you can as well use platforms like ChatGPT. But be careful how much information you put there when building your idea, so you don't put sensitive information. Using Tinder as an example, what problem did Tinder found, right? Tinder found that there was a difficulty in meeting new people outside traditional social cycles, or just meeting new persons. Like if you want to meet new persons or interact with someone, maybe in relationship wise or something, it was very hard for people, back then. And also the challenge of finding capable partner. So they found a solution to that, and the solution was a mobile app that allows users to swipe right to like or swipe left to dislike on potential matches based on a brief profile. So mutual likes results in a match, allowing conversation. So we all know how far Tinder has gone, right? So the third one, unique value proposition. What made them, different, and what was their unique proposition? They had match, they had chats. Back then this was rare. They had dates. It was simple and fun, and I think they were the first to bring the swipe to meet stuff. I don't know, but I think so. Yeah. Then the fourth one, unique advantage. What advantage did they have? Okay, they had the first mover advantage in the swipe-based dating app. Okay, so yeah. Then huge, and they also have a huge user base leading to network effect. So the value of the app increased as more people used it. So yeah. Then if in your own space you can be the first mover. First mover actually means first people to do a particular thing. So that could be your own unique advantage. Then customer segments, they worked with single adults, typically age 18 to 35, right? And but I think now they've expanded into various categories, but this was their first ever business plan or lean canvas. Number six, what was their key metrics? Number of daily active users, number of matches made daily, user retention rate, subscription, in-app purchases, conversion. So they could have had more than this, right? But based on last time, this is what they used and this is what they needed in order to track the success of the app. Then seven, channels. What channels did they make use of? Obviously, mobile app, social media for their marketing, collaboration, and partnership deals. Then eight, costs. So server and infrastructure costs, marketing, employees, licensing, and other costs that we may not have known of. And what was their revenue stream? They made revenues from Tinder Plus, Tinder Gold, basically subscriptions, in-app purchases, and advertising revenue. So if you want to build your lean canvas, you can use this as an example. And we have a template. So if you want to download the template, there's going to be a link below. And if you enjoy this, all you just have to do is like, subscribe, and see you on the next post.